Hi, I'm Bob Breen from Nightingale University, and I'm here today to show you our EC6 chair. Our EC6 chair is our top-of-the-line executive leather chair. This particular version you're looking at in front of you is our high-back version, model number 635D. It comes standard in a polished aluminum base with 3-inch carpet casters. I'm going to take a couple moments of your time to explain how this chair works. So I'm going to sit in the chair and explain to you our synchro tilt swivel mechanism. So that's basically how the chair operates. And the idea with the swivel is really simple. Basically, the turn chairs all the way around 360 degrees either way. The synchro in this function is how the chair works when you recline. So as you recline in the chair, your back goes back at 2 degrees and your seat drops 1 degree. So the back has a full range of motion of 16 degrees, and so the seat's dropping by 8 degrees if you go to the full back position. The idea behind it is you want to keep your feet flat on the ground and maintain the proper ergonomic position when you're sitting in a chair so that you're fully comfortable and as you're working and sitting in your chair. In terms of the adjustments, on the right-hand side of the chair, there's 2 adjusters down below. One is the tension hand crank, and the other one is, on the right side, is the pneumatic height adjustment. So the tension hand crank is this crank that I'm turning here. It's a circular turn, and basically, if you go to the left, it makes it easier to recline in the chair, so there's less resistance on your back. And if you turn it the other way to your right, you basically increase the tension. For someone like myself, who's a little heavier individual, you want to max it out in this position, and the back is much harder to recline. In terms of the pneumatic height adjustment, it's on the same bar, but just in front of the tension, and basically with that, you lift up and take your weight off the chair, and the chair will rise to the top. Again, you lift up, and the chair will drop down to the bottom. And in your case, you want to find the correct ergonomic position for yourself. In my case, it's in the middle, about 2 inches above bottom. And there, I'm in the right ergonomic position. On the left-hand side of the chair, you're going to find your multi-tilt lock lever with a slow release. So how this works is, here's the lever here. So the idea is you lock it downward. So the chair is locked in an upright position, so I'm going to release it just so you can see how the recline works. Anywhere in that position, you can lock the back by pushing down, and this lock, so you can see the back is not moving with my back. Okay, so the idea with the slow release is the mechanism is that once you release, again by lifting up this lever, you have to apply a little bit of your own weight to the back, and you're going to hear a little click there, and that little click puts you back into a free tilt position. So important to understand that when you're using your chair. The last feature we're going to go through is our lumbar adjustment. Now our lumbar adjustment has a 3-inch total travel. You'll see there's a little chrome bar in the back of the chair, and there's 6 multi-lock positions. So basically you lift upwards and you move the adjustment up. In my case, that's the right spot for me. And now you're sitting correctly in the chair. Your feet are in the right height, your height in the chair is right, and your lumbar is adjusted, and you're sitting correctly in the EC6 chair by Nightingale. Thank you for watching this video.